What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Penguin Trek construction update. And today is a special day. As ambassadors, you're going to be doing commissioning. What does that mean? Well, they're going to ride a lot. And it is boiling hot today, somewhere around 91 degrees, and it's only 10 a.m. Kiosks over there are open. Quite a few people over there. Ticket windows here at the front. A little bit of a line. But there's definitely a line right here to get in the park. Parking was a breeze though, but this shouldn't be more than about 5 minutes. Yep, like usual, not much of a wait. We are on our way. Something to note, SeaWorld has changed kind of their entertainment, and well, fireworks are every night now at 9 p.m. So it doesn't matter if it's the weekend or the weekdays, you can watch it, and it's a heck of a show. Costume characters are out today. We have the whale over here. Shark was over there. So good to see you in the morning. Pink chickens. Good to see them. We'll get a better view of them a little bit later. I want to get over to Penguin Trek. Apparently, it's supposed to start at about noon for the ambassador commissioning. We go until about 3:30, and then they have it where 5:30 until 9 o'clock is the second session. Manta. Currently showing a 30-minute wait. And there's Penguin Trek. Looking good. Kind of crazy that we're going to be on this ride within the next 3 days. It's finally here, guys. Wrapping up another project. Now we're in Antarctica. Let's go over to Glacial Supply and see if there's anything new. Unfortunately, other than what we see right here with the hats, mugs, shot glasses, lanyards, and the hats over here, and then the keychains over there, along with magnet. Yeah, nothing else just yet. Very soon, I'm sure. Queue is all set, ready to go. And that one work wall that I told you we'd let you know if it was going to stay, well, it's gone. Whole area looks really good. Speakers up there have been up for a while, but this is new. The work walls are kind of down over here, so we can get a view straight into the first launch area. Over there, security cameras have been installed also, and the ride photo system over here also. And I can see over here the overhead door is now in place. Close it up whenever they need to due to harsh weather, whatever it may be. Alright, so we just heard the ride alarm. And I have a feeling it's going to run any second. We're going to see human riders, ambassadors. Alright, so they just backed up one of the trains over here. Looks like they are adding another one. And it looks like train 3 is currently on the track. No test dummies. Looks like we're adding the third train because one train is parked here, the other one is backing up, and that means the other one can come back on. So we'll have 3 trains running. Alright, so there we go. Train 2, train 3, and train 1 is coming on right now. Alright, the ride just reset, and train 1 is now on the course. And here comes another train, and this should be train 1. And yes, indeed, that is train 1 over there. And they're dispatching it like crazy. Another one's going to be coming up right now. Alright, looks like we have show animations now on, and people are on the ride. Checking out the audio right now. We are less than 10 minutes away from Ambassador Preview starting, and a line is formed. Ambassadors queuing up, and then over here we have a table where they will scan their ID so they can go into the ride area, take a ride. All right, line for employees is moving. They're about to get on.
Thank you. Buzz Still's very
I will say this, with the ride running and ambassadors on it, well, there are a lot of normal guests that are like, hey, the ride's open. And the line for the exhibit for the penguins is really long right now, and I think most people are like, hey, maybe the ride's open. the time is 3:30, and we also have some inclement weather in the area. They have stopped running the ride, and the next session is supposed to start at 5 p.m. And, well, I'm not going to stick around for that. So that's going to do it for our testing coverage with Ambassadors. Something else we got to bring up is over here at the gift shop. Well, guess what? If you scan your annual pass, you get a free gift today, and it's manatee. And as of 3 p.m., they just ran out of the manatees. Duh, it's Mama with the babies. To close out a successful day, we've got pink chickens and a coaster bun. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Penguin Trek construction. Exciting stuff, as we had Ambassador previews today, and they were running the heck of that thing. I mean, well over 100 runs. People are riding it, enjoying themselves. Looks like they're having a lot of fun. Of course, we do have Media Day on July 1st, and then Pass Holder Previews Platinum begins July 2nd. The ride officially opens on July 7th. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.